Good morning students. Today we are going to understand sum number 7 from analysis of financial statements. Sum number 7, profit and loss statement for the year ending on 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017 of Meena Company Limited are as follows. Prepare comparative profit and loss statement. Students, we have to prepare comparative profit loss statement of Meena Company Limited for the year ending on 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017. Then students, first of all, we will put the information, we will put the values. First of all, we will put 31st March 2016's values, 52 lakh in sales revenue, 10 lakh other income, 38 lakh net purchase, then 18% other expenses is given on percentage of sales. So 52 lakhs 18% means 9 lakh 36,000. Then change in stock is given in minus 1 lakh. Then we will put 31st March 2017's value, 45 lakh in sales revenue, 2 lakh in other income, 32 lakh in net purchase. Then 22% other expense on sales, 45 lakhs 22% will be 9 lakh 90,000. Change in stock in negative 2 lakh. Now we have to find out increase or decrease in rupees as well as increase or decrease in percentage. Here we will see that the value of 31st March 2017 are less than the values of 31st March 2016. Then here we will get decrease. 45 lakh minus 52 lakh, we will get 7 lakh in minus. So we will put it into the bracket. Then we will find out the percentage. 7 lakh divided by 52 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 13.46%. Here we will get these values in negative form, so we have to put bracket here. Then in other income there is also a decrease of 8 lakh, 2 lakh minus 10 lakh, we will get 8 lakh decrease. 8 lakh divided by 10 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 80%. We will make the total for the year 31st March 2016. We will get 62 lakh. Then for the year 31st March 2017, we will get 47 lakh. Then 47 lakh minus 62 lakh, we will get 15 lakh. 15 lakh divided by 62 lakh multiply by 100, then we will get here 24.19%. Then in expenses, net purchase, there is also a decrease and it is 6 lakh. 32 lakh minus 38 lakh, it will be 6 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 38 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 15.79%. Then you will see here in other expense there will be an increase. 9 lakh 90,000 minus 9 lakh 36,000, we will get 54,000. 54,000 divided by 9 lakh 36,000 multiply by 100, we will get 5.77%. Then in change in stock there is also a decrease. Minus 2 lakh plus 1 lakh, then it will be minus 1 lakh. So you can see that the value is here 2 lakh in minus, and here we will deduct 1 lakh, and 1 lakh's value is also in minus, then we will make bracket over minus 2 lakh minus minus plus 1 lakh, then we will get here minus 1 lakh. So the value will be in minus form. So 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 100%. Then we will make the total for the expenses and we will get total expenses 38 lakh plus 9 lakh 36,000 minus 1 lakh, then we will get 46 lakh 36,000, then 32 lakh plus 9 lakh 90,000 minus 2 lakh, then we will get 39 lakh 90,000, then 39 lakh 90,000 minus 46 lakh 36,000, we will get a decrease 6 lakh 46,000. Then 6 lakh 46,000 divided by 46 lakh 36,000 multiply by 100, we will get 13.93%. Then we have to find out profit before tax, means total income minus total expenses. So 62 lakh minus 46 lakh 36,000, we will get 15 lakh 64,000. Then for the year of 31st March 2017, 47 lakh minus 39 lakh 90,000, then we will get 7 lakh 10,000. Then profit before tax, it will be also in decrease form. 7 lakh 10,000 minus 15 lakh 64,000, we will get 8 lakh 54,000. 8 lakh 54,000 divided by 15 lakh 64,000 multiply by 100, we will get 54.60%. Then here income tax rate is 30%, then 15 lakh 64,000 30% will be 4 lakh 69,200, 7 lakh 10,000 30% will be 2 lakh 13,000, 8 lakh 54,000 30% will be 2 lakh 56,200, then 2 lakh 56,200 divided by 4 lakh 69,200 multiply by 100, we will get 54.60%. Then we have to find out profit after tax, means profit before tax minus income tax. 15 lakh 64,000 minus 4 lakh 69,200, we will get 10 lakh 94,800. 7 lakh 10,000 minus 2 lakh 13,000, we will get 4 lakh 97,000. Then 4 lakh 97,000 minus 10 lakh 94,800, we will get in minus 5 lakh 97,800. 5 lakh 97,800 divided by 10 lakh 94,800 multiply by 100, we will get 54.60%. देन स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 7. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.